If you're planning on doing yard work like building a deck, putting in a new fence, or building your backyard oasis, remember to get your underground utilities located. Here's what you'll need to do. Firstly, plan your work area. Your underground utilities may be shallower than you think. As soil moves, changes, or erodes, a line could be inches below the surface. It's easy to puncture an underground utility line. Avoid this by planning your work area. Secondly, visit clickbeforeyoudig.com to get your underground utilities located and marked. It's important to know where your underground utilities are so you don't accidentally hit them once you start digging in your yard. Plus, it's free. Tip: get your locate requests in early. At least a week before you plan on starting your work is recommended. A technician will come to your property to locate and mark buried utilities in the dig area. The different colored lines will tell you which utility is underground. Once your utilities are marked, these markings are valid for 30 days. Privately owned buried utilities will not be located and marked. You will get a confirmation email with a drawing of where the buried utilities are located on your property in the dig area. Use this to plan where your digging project will take place and how long the markings are valid for. Hitting an underground utility can have serious consequences, like losing service to your home and neighborhood, paying for repairs, and causing serious injury to yourself, family, and others. Don't let this happen to you. Remember to click before you dig.